So some people say to new Muslims that they aren't expected to pray 5 times a day immediately or fast Ramadan completely, but rather to take it easy and build up these habits gradually, such as praying sometimes and fasting some days. And they reference the fact that rulings in Islam were revealed over a course of many years. Therefore, people should also introduce the rulings gradually in their own lives. So is what they're saying valid or correct?
What they are saying is totally bogus and baseless. Because Allah Azza wa Jal, although in the beginning had gradually given the commands of Islam, on the 10th year of Hijrah, just few months before the Prophet ﷺ's death, Allah revealed the ayah that says, "Today I have completed your religion." So now no one has the right to say, listen, I'm a new revert and I used to drink a lot of booze. So we know that booze prohibition came on 3 stages. So can I follow that? No Muslim in his right mind will say, yeah, sure. Don't overdo it in the first stage. In the second stage, don't pray when you're intoxicated. And in the third stage, it's haram for you. No, it's haram on the spot. When someone accepts Islam, he has to accept it wholeheartedly. We don't say to him, okay, you're a revert. We'll give you like 6 months, 8 months. Pray Fajr when you wake up. Isha, you don't have to pray. And skip this and skip that. This Ramadan, it's good if you do 10 days. 20 days is on the house. This is not Islam. This is cherry picking, and whoever say such things to reverts, they're ignorant imbeciles. They know nothing of Islam. Don't be confused. Don't be distracted by their titles or their position, because they're totally ignorant of the rulings of Islam, and Allah knows best.